You can listen to text on the clicker board read aloud, as well as recording and listening to your own voice notes. To listen to the text in an object, click the sound shift icon, then click the object.
Turbulent.
Double-click the sound shift icon to keep it enabled. This means you can click several objects to hear the text spoken aloud.
Torrential. Sludgy. Blustery.
Then click the icon again to disable it. You can also right-click on an object to hear the text. To add a voice note, click New Object and drag the voice note onto the board. Click the voice note twice to open the sound recorder and click Record. We walked to school in the torrential rain. And then click Stop when you are finished. You can now hear your recording and you can re-record the voice note if you need to. Once you're happy with it, select OK to add it to the board. The voice note then changes to a speech bubble icon. You can click on it at any time to hear your recording. We walked to school in the torrential rain.